Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. For today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix Valorant not opening or launching problem after launch. Right click on the start icon or the Windows icon below and choose Task Manager. In the Task Manager, click Details section above. Navigate to the Riot client and right-click it. In the pop-up, choose End Process Tree. Click again the End Process Tree to confirm. Do this to all of the application that is related to Valorant. Once you're done, close the Task Manager. Now click the search icon below and search Services, then open it. In here, navigate to the name VGC, then right-click on it and choose Properties. Now beside the startup type, choose Automatic and click the Start button below to run and then choose Apply below. After doing that, close the window and click the search icon below and type in System Configuration and open it. In here, click Services above and now navigate again to VGC. Check the box beside VGC and make sure that the status beside shows a running. Then click Apply and then click OK below. After that, go to your desktop and look for the Valorant application and right-click on it. Now choose Properties in the pop-up menu. Click on the Compatibility section above. In here, check the box below the Compatibility mode and also check the box beside Run this program as administrator and disable full screen optimization. After that, click Apply and then OK below. Navigate again to the Valorant app on your desktop and right-click on it. Now choose Open File Location. Click on the file path above and copy it. Now click on the search bar below and then search for graphics settings. Click on the Browse button. Click on the file path bar above and then paste the file path of Valorant and click Enter. Now select the Riot Client Services and click Add below. Now click on the options beside the Riot Client and adjust the graphics to high performance and click Save. This should be able to fix a problem, but if not, then you need to check if there is a need for you to upgrade your graphic driver. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.